Keto Diet, short for Ketogenic Diet, is a food guide to which a person restricts himself over a linear and lengthy timeline. So, what is Keto Diet all about? It is a diet where a person eats less carbohydrates and more fat, something very similar to Atkins' principle. This form of food intake typically increases ketone bodies, which in turn burns fat efficiently. The resultant energy offers improved brain and body functioning. In short, by decreasing fat consumption, the body is pushed into a metabolic state called ketosis. What are the benefits? Studies have shown that keto diet can help reduce weight and improve overall metabolic functioning. Broadly speaking, it helps fight diabetes, reduces blood sugar levels, cancer and even Alzheimer's disease. Standard ketogenic diet consists of extremely low carbohydrates, minimal protein and very high fat foods, while cyclical ketogenic diet on the other hand involves intake of a high amount of carbohydrates once a week and then switching back to standard keto diet for the remaining days.